Downloaded this Sounds Right Phonics app. Me and Bronson have never done it before, have we? But we're going to go through it and show you how easy it is to use, hopefully. Yeah? Right then, so it says tap here to begin. Let's have a go. Oh, it says welcome. Before we get started, we need to create a profile. So let's click create. Please enter your name for the adult account. Oh, let's have a look. So put it in this way. Oh, and then we've got to put in a password. Let's put our password in. Why is that doing that? Are we ready? Got a password. And we're on Adult Home. Click the button to create a child profile. So this is you. Right, then what's your name?
Bronson.
So let's type Bronson. Are we done? Oh, are you a boy or a girl?
Oh boy.
We have to think about that then. What's your favourite colour? Ooh, choose them. Go on then, blue. Oh, do it again. I'll do click. Did you click it?
Yeah.
Complete. Oh, we've got to do what you look like now. Let's have a look. What colour hair you got? Should we try that one? Go on then, click on it. Oh my goodness. Let's have a look. And then we need normal eyes, don't we? What colour eyes you got? Blue. Let's choose some blue eyes then. Is that like you? Right then, let's have a look. So we'll go on profiles now. Let's have a look. Or is it unit overview? Welcome to Sounds Right. We're on Adult Home, I think. Profile. Siobhan Bronson. Let's have a look there. Unit. Oh, so then we just start at the beginning and you go through and complete all the units. So, play as this pupil. Ooh, so what unit? Should we start with unit 1? Oh, look, it's like all we do in school. So, word building, symbol search. Should we try it?
The word mat. What can you hear when my finger is under this line when I say mat? Which of these is
Good.
Good. Now, pull the
Good lad.
Great. What's the next sound you hear when my finger is under this line when I say mat? Ah. Good. Now, what sound can you hear when my finger is under this line when I say mat?
Lovely.
Excellent. If you listen to the sounds, you can hear the word mat. Now I am going to write the word
Oh,
mat.
this is lovely, isn't it?
Now you write the word.
Ooh, your turn. Go on. Ooh. What? Oh no! Go on, don't worry. Try and go over your eye. Went a bit funny that, didn't it? It's because you're giggling. Mat. Do you press that one? Right, we've got to start on unit 1 and complete it before we move on, because we tried, didn't we? Oh, it's not letting us now. So get on unit 2, but look, we can't do it, can we yet? So we'll go back. Let's do unit 1. And shall we try a symbol search? Yes, come on then.
In this game,
Are you ready?
I am going to say a sound and I want you to find it. The first sound is ah. Can you find good?
Well done.
Ah. Now trace it.
Oh, that's
And
good.
say the sound
Right,
as
just
you
get
do.
you one finger this time. Have a go with one finger. That's it. Lovely.
Can you find the if? Well done.
And then our last job of unit 1 is word reading. That one, do you want to click on it? Then we'll be able to get onto unit 2.
We're going to read a word. We need to say the sounds and listen for the word. At.
have you got to do it? Go on then. At.
Mat.
Good boy.
Oh, we have to do it fast.
Now you write the
Oh,
word.
you got a word to do. What's next?